All right, guys. So when we last looked at Bitcoin, we basically wanted to see how price was going to react from this area. So when we analyzed it, it was around this time frame, and we were going to either say that it was going to push up through here, and that was weekly market structure. So it was either going to push up and go down or break and give us a push up higher. So finally, after waiting months, you can see where there was really nice structure. Well, I would say respect to our level, and it was about a 351 or 340 pip move, which was really, really nice. So let's take a look at it now. Let's do a top-down analysis and just see how things are looking. So I'm going to delete everything. That was really nice. Again, it required a lot of patience, but we're going to look at the weekly chart. Now, again, we have this support notated right here, okay, which is around 15,771.20, and we are approaching a resistance area, okay? We're approaching our previous high. So what I want to do here is I want to make sure that the price can break that area. Now, there is potential for this to come back up here and then push down. So what we want to essentially see is price break 21,126.80 or 21,126. So we want to see it do that and then come to this high. And then if it breaks that, we're going to look at the next area of market structure. We're going to keep this very simple. We're not going to complicate this, okay? So I like to identify all of my weekly highs. This is an area too as well where it can kind of like have some slippage. So again, that's 22,680. And then we're going to just notate this. And this is at 25,211. So what I'm going to do here is if price breaks, good sign. All right, so I'm going to do that at 25,211. And then if we decide to go up some more, we'll look at the market structure around the 32 area, which will be around here. Okay, so we'll look around, well, 31, 32 area, 32,000 area. We'll see what happens. So right now we want to see how price reacts to 21.26, and there's some room for slippage around 22,680. Let me actually do this so you can see 22,680. Bam. All right, so if we break 22,680, we're going to take to 25,211. Then from there, we have to see what's going to happen. We have to see if it's going to do this and push back down. If 25,211 is broken, I would like to see it range between 28,970 to 31,000 pretty much in that area. So I'm just going to include these wicks. So this is the area right here. All right, so that's what I have for right now with Bitcoin. Let's go to the daily real quick so I don't make this video too long. Again, the daily, we have some really nice momentum. We are looking at some structure right here. You can see this previous low. So what we want is for the market to break it and retest and form a higher low. If we start to get rejection here on the daily, what's going to happen is we're going to get a pullback at least to some structure right around here. And then from there, we'll determine if it's going to push up or keep going down. So as far as the daily level goes, I'm going to look at it from right here. Again, we might get a small pullback to 18,140 before it decides it wants to push back up. But the goal is to see if we can get it to go to 25,211 if it's going to be bullish. Okay, if not, then we're going to look for it to come back down to 15,571, and I'll update with some new levels if that breaks. Hope that helps.